This is not an ordinary cube. It's an entity created by the wisdom of man, ready to follow some ball. That's right, ball. At this point, you're probably asking, what the fuck is this? This bro should be in a mental health institute. And my answer is, the greatest minds are considered fools by the eyes of ignorance. Probably some old philosopher 1000 years ago. So, presenting the main character, we have the cube. Now, it doesn't look very special, just like politicians exist and do nothing. But we can make it capable of learning, and that's the true turning point. It can change everything. So the obvious answer is to teach him how to go after a boss. I mean, in real world, we have multimillionaires that the whole point of their careers is to go after balls, like in football, Ronaldo or Messi, or in basketball, LeBron James. So I think is a good starting point. But where it will be running after balls? It needs a field, of course. So I did it. It have some nice white pavement and some walls, and it even floats on the void. It's looking very good. We also have the ball, of course, but then what? It needs to learn. Like when you go to school and they teach you stuff that you don't care and manipulate you at looking at things in a certain way. Bro, I reach a point of a teacher recommending books about politics. What the fuck? Anyway, you just need to do the same thing, make the cube see what you want, and give it a punch or a candy, depending if it does the right thing or the wrong thing. And of course, define the actions that it can take. For the movement, let's keep it simple, just one dimensional. This is me controlling it, just left or right. Also, as you can see, it resets when it touches anything, and the ball also spawns randomly on each side. For the cube to go after the ball, of course it needs to know its position, so we just give it the ball's coordinates. And finally, we need to set up a reward or a penalty, depending on what it does. In this case, we give it a positive points if it touches the ball, and a negative if it touches the red walls. If you are this further into the video, please like and subscribe, it helped me a ton. Anyway, explaining the setup, we can go right to the training, or in other words, to the hypnosis section. Just do the multiplication jutsu real quick first so the training doesn't take my whole lifetime, and with this, let's go to the montage. So I created a cube slave that dual purpose is to follow some balls. Like and subscribe, or instead of the cube will be you. See you next time. Bye.